Tennessee Spring and Metal was established in 1963. Over the years, we've built a well-deserved reputation as a reliable, dependable, and honest spring manufacturer. We form springs from fine wire all the way up to the very heavy-duty springs for industrial overhead doors and semi-trailers. We can make custom springs to exacting specifications, and we also manufacture standard springs. Our customers can count on us. We proactively purchase wire so that we can keep costs down and production lines running. We have never missed a delivery, even when we were experiencing a global wire shortage. Our springs are made right here in Tennessee by a dedicated team with more than 100 years combined experience. We pride ourselves in exemplary customer service and provide the best possible product, the highest quality, so that our customers in turn can do the same for their customers. For quality springs, for quality products, you can count on Tennessee Spring and Metal.